This morning, a major blow to the prosecution of two top Trump targets. The Justice Department vowing to appeal orders from a federal judge Monday, tossing out the criminal charges against former FBI Director James Comey and New York's Attorney General Letitia James.
We'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal.
The judge concluding the president's hand-picked prosecutor, Lindsey Halligan, who brought the cases in Virginia, cannot lead the office any longer, pointing to a law barring successive appointments of interim prosecutors, like Halligan and her predecessor, who were not Senate confirmed. The judge writing, all actions flowing from Ms. Halligan's defective appointment constitute unlawful exercises of executive power and must be set aside. Halligan's predecessor was publicly ousted this fall after concluding there was not enough evidence to indict Comey or James. The president soon calling on Attorney General Pam Bondi to bring charges anyway.
If they are guilty or if they should be charged, they should be charged, and we have to do it now.
2 days later, Halligan, Mr. Trump's one-time defense attorney with no experience as a prosecutor, was tapped to lead the high-profile office, appearing alone in front of the grand jury as she sought charges against Comey for lying to Congress and obstruction, just days before the statute of limitations was set to expire. Comey, who has maintained his innocence all along, reacting to the new ruling.
I'm grateful that the court ended the case against me, which was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence.
Last month, Halligan also indicting James, who was tangled with Trump for years over his real estate holdings. James pled not guilty to charges of misleading her bank to receive a better mortgage rate, saying Monday, "I remain fearless in the face of these baseless charges."
As for where this all goes next, once the Justice Department does appeal, this could all take months to resolve, guys. But if the DOJ loses and Halligan can't stay, a different prosecutor, at least in theory, could refile these charges, but it's unclear who would. And there'd likely still be this fight over the statute of limitations. In Comey's case, he says, guys, that he expects the president to come after him once again.
All right. Thank you, Laura.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.